Michelle Castle with Guild Mortgage. We get a lot of questions about construction loans. Of course, with shortage of inventory or just the dream of building your own home is so real right now. So let me just explain a couple of different ways that you can do a construction loan. And it really all depends on the builder you choose. So some builders will build your home, borrow the money at the bank themselves, and then you're just buying a new home from them. Super simple process. And in that situation, we can look at VA financing, we can look at FHA, we can look at conventional financing with the minimum down payment. So that's one scenario. Then you've got some times where you have some land that you've either purchased that you still owe money for, you own free and clear, or maybe you're inheriting or getting some land deeded to you that's in the family. And in that case, then you're going to need a construction loan. If you've bought land and you still owe money on it, then that construction loan is going to pay off that land loan and wrap it into the cost of the construction. If you own that money, that land free and clear, then obviously the bank is just going to give you a construction loan, but the land will be used as part of the lien and part of the equity. So in that case, whenever we say that you're going to need 20% down or 20% equity, you can use the equity in the land that you already own as part of that 20%. If you do have to purchase your own land and you find a piece of land and you have your builder selected, he doesn't provide the financing and you've got to do the financing yourself, then you choose your plans and your specs. You've got your land picked out and you have a contract on it. We can put all of that together as one package construction loan, but you're still going to need that 20% down. And in that case, you're going to probably have to get your checkbook out. So those are three different scenarios and three different ways of financing new construction. There are variations and hybrids of all three of those options. So please give us a little more information about what your situation is and how much money you have saved up or available so we can tell you what options you have based on that information. And we'll go from there. But we're going to need an application. If you've got to get the construction loan and go to the bank, we're still going to need a full application, all of your paperwork, and we'll do the pre-approval and issue a takeout letter to the bank, which tells the bank that, hey, you loaned them money. And when the house is complete, as long as everything stays the same with their financial situation and the guidelines to the loan program don't change between now and the time the house is finished, then we'll give you the money to pay off that construction loan, or we'll give the money, we're telling the bank, we'll give you the money so they can get paid off on that construction loan. Those construction loans from the bank are only temporary financing. So it still starts with the application. It still starts with providing us your income documentation and your asset documentation and telling us what your story is. I hope this explains those options to you. Please get back to us. Let us know what your story is, what your goals are, and then we'll tell you what the next steps are. Thanks and have a great day.